Welcome back to Mac and PC Prime video. Today I'm going to show you. This Mi ultrawide curved gaming monitor 34-inch turns off immediately after being powered on. Let's open it up and see what the problem is. First, you need to remove the stand from the monitor. Then remove all the screws underneath it. After removing the screws, open it very carefully. Open the cover of this monitor and look inside. This is the logic board. This power IC is overheating more than the rest of the logic board. The problem is with the logic board. Therefore, we are going to replace this logic board. Let's remove these power connectors that are connected to this board. Carefully remove all 3 of these power connectors. Remove these 4 screws that are holding this logic board, and then remove the board separately. Now let's replace the logic board that we bought from AliExpress. After changing this logic board, you should connect the power connector. Then we need to close this cover and connect all the screws around it. Now look, the monitor problem is fixed. I think this video will be useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.